Hello, it's Philip Taylor speaking from Richmond Green Chambers, and this morning I'm looking at a book from Edward Elgar Publishing. It's called Conservation, Biodiversity and International Law, and it's written by Alexander Gillespie. It's this book here. Rather nice little blue cover. On the back you've got some quite interesting comments on the book. It's New Horizons in Environmental and Energy Law, as a publication from Edward Elgar, and Professor Gillespie is actually from New Zealand, which is again an interesting area to come from in terms of the views which are being put forward on biodiversity. Lots of information on treaties right at the front. At the back you've got again a very useful and detailed index, and you've got in the actual body copy of the book a lot of footnote material. It's very much of an academic book and it's designed specifically for that community, but it adds to the debate, and this is what we say about it. It's on the web and in the journals, and we've given it the title Extinction Crisis. This book explores an exceptionally wide range of biodiversity issues focused on the law, and here we're talking about international law, hence the treaties which are mentioned right at the front. The biodiversity of our planet, the symbiotic relationship between plants and animals and therefore ecosystems, sustains our existence. Anything that threatens it threatens us, and there are lots of threats out there, believe me. And that's really where this book comes in, because what it does is it says some commentators have even used the term extinction crisis, referring to the rapid depletion of any number of species worldwide. While all this may sound alarmist, it does reflect the general level of concern on these matters on the part of certainly the academic community and all those involved with the vast range of issues concerning our natural heritage. Gillespie's book explores the issues surrounding the loss of biodiversity issues from a range of viewpoints. He's famously erudite, and not only in international law pertaining to biodiversity issues, he also explores the vast and complex subject matter from other perspectives, notably the scientific, the philosophical and the political. And there's much needed multidisciplinary approaches here which reveal a wider picture, if one may put it that way, and point the way to eventually solving or resolving many of the planet's most pressing environmental problems. It's certainly on the agenda. It has been for decades, and it's something which I think helps immensely. The book's divided into 4 parts, 3 of them being of particular interest, covering, as they do, the various environmental threats from habitat loss and alien species, i.e. pests, to threats from modern processes. I think the book is an excellent contribution to the current debate. The book, to summarise, is an important contribution to environmental literature as well, and specifically to international environment law, which is one area that we've got to look at, not just in terms of individual member states or countries, but a much wider view. So therefore international lawyers, both practitioners and academics, as well as policymakers, we think will welcome this book because of its thorough, scholastic and readable statements on what we actually are facing at the moment. It's a must-have addition to the library, and thank you very much to all concerned for producing what is an excellent contribution to the debate. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.